Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead.
How's it going, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. It's your boy Noah back at it again with another video. And today I'm gonna give you guys a quick review of the Yeezy Quantums in the lifestyle version, and I'm gonna show you how to style them. You guys ready? Let's go! So these bad boys first came out on All-Star Weekend in Chicago and got a wider release in the US in May 15th, and then got a worldwide release on September 5th, which is when I got these bad boys. I keep calling them bad boys. No, you're not bad boys. You're not bad boys. And I gotta say, this might be my new favorite Yeezy silhouette from Yeezy. And I know that these are not doing so well in the resale market, much like the other colorways like the bariums and the teal blues, but you know you have to like what you like, man. And these, I love. So a quick rundown of the shoe. This comes in a Primeknit Upper with that neoprene ankle area, that translucent midsole with the boost, and that sort of cream yellow outsole with that boost peeking out. And I gotta say, these things are hella comfy. Sizing wise, I'd say go true to size, but if you have a wider feet, Sasquatch, I'd say go up half a size. Now this particular colorway also came out in a basketball version, but that's exclusive to the Chicago release, so it's like $800 right now. I might be wrong, but I know it's pretty high up. Shout out to my good friend Bryan Candano for actually helping me scoop up a pair. If you guys need your Quantum fix, hit him up. Now you clicked on this video because you want to know how to style them. Now a lot of people didn't go for these because they don't have any fashion sense in their body and wouldn't know how to style them, because they're a bunch of normies who only wear 350 V2s. But don't you worry, Papa Noah's got you covered. I'm gonna show you how to wear these and basically make them look good. Hit it!
Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Started out with half and I flipped it into double.
Said time again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo.
Yeah.
Snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know. Got the Henny, you get cold. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos.
There's a lot of things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Oh my.
Don't say you get money, boy, you been broke. Digit dash up in my circle, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision and the soul. Now I'm smashing on the model cause I bought.
Hey,
on this day is cream, I'ma take the team. We gon' be hot like steam. I just got the dreams, I know what you mean. It's all funny to the feet, I get 50 to my G.
hey.
For this video, guys, make sure you smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Hit that share, it really helps the channel a lot. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. But most importantly, don't forget